Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture we will study phonic sounds of two letter sound which is and phonic sound of three letter set which is word. We will study phonic sound of two letter set which is and phonic sound of three letter set which is word. Students, you can see that the sound of word, the three letters is used, and in the sound of two letter is used. Students, let's learn the sound of When the specific sound of u and the sound of are mixed together, it becomes a new sound which is and when the sounds of w, o and r mix together, it becomes a new sound which is word. Word. Here is given one example for each sound. Turn. Turn is a word in which the sound of is used. Turn. In this word, the sound of is used. Word. Students, open your book on page 51. Let's read some sentences in which we get those words that are having sounds of We have turtles in the pond. Turn off the lights before sleeping. Cats have fur to keep them warm. This is fur. I hurt my arm. The doctor called the nurse. The doctor called the nurse. Students, in these sentences, some words are given in which the sound of is used. That is turtles, turn, fur, hurt and nurse. Students, on page 52, we get also those words in which the sound of is used. Time to turn around. Time to turn around. It's my turn to turn around. To turn around and round. Students, this is a poem. I love to turn around. I love to turn and turn around. There is worksheet for the phonogram Students, these are some words in which the sound of is used. First one is picture, curly hair, burn and purse. Write the missing words. Students, in these sentences, there is some blanks. You have to fill it with these words. Pictures are showed to you. Look the picture and fill the blanks with suitable words. Students, first one, dash is soft to touch. Dash is soft to touch. Which is soft? Fur. Fur is soft to touch. This is turn. Turn the page. I have some coins in the purse. Sarah has curly hair. Sarah has curly hair. Answer the riddles. Students, pictures are also showed to you. Look the pictures. It is a color dash. Student, in this picture, purple color is showed more than the other colors. It is clearly shown. It is a purple color. Second one, it is a purple vegetable. Which is a purple vegetable? Turnip. Number third, she takes care of us in the hospital. Who take care? The nurse. When someone falls down, hurt. हर्ट मीन दुख पहुंचना, गिरते हुए जब आपको चोट लगती है, हर्ट, चोट. नंबर सी, रीड, मैच एंड राइट द वर्ड्स. स्टूडेंट्स, this is column A, B, C and D. You have to match the same words with pencil with the use of pencil and rewrite it in column C and column D, like injured. Here is the word injured in column B. So write it in C and D column. Return, survive and hurdle. And students, these are also the words in which the sound of is used, like hurt, nurse, turnip, purple, injured, return, survive, hurdle. There are lots of words in which the sound of is used. Let's read those sentences in which we will get the words in which the sound of is used. I saw a worm on the wall. I saw a worm on the wall. I saw a worm on the wall. This is worm. It is worm. This is a big word. This is a big word. Don't worry about this work. You know, got it? I feel worse today. I feel worse today. A jet can fly around the world. This is jet. A jet can fly around the world. Students, in this page, we got the words in which the sound of is used. Let's read it. Worm, word, worry, worse and world. This is the worksheet for the phonogram word. Students, these are the words in the sound of is used. World, work, words. Question A. Insert the missing phonogram to make meaningful words. Student, you have to fill these words with the suitable letters which make it meaningful. Like world, so it became world. If we use the sound of L, world. Second, work. If we use the sound of K with word, it became work and meaning is calm. Words, we know what is words. And worship, ibadat. If we use the sound of sh with ver and ip, then it become a new word, worship, which have its own meaning. Question B. Match and write the verb words. Students, column A, column B, column C and column D. You have to match the same words, the verb words with pencil and rewrite it in column C and column D. Students, these are also the words in which the sound of is used. Worst, work, worship and worm. Students, this is your activity. Find out the words having sound of 2-letter set and 3-letter set word and write it in your rough copy or practice copy. Students, in description there is given a link for you for calligraphy lesson 3 for class 6. Search this link. While in previous lecture there was also given a link for you I have already told to you. I have already told you. Stay safe at home. God bless you.